Let's talk about the national referral mechanism that they always say that it's not for us. We're always saying national referral mechanism. It's not really for domestic workers because we are not victims and we are workers. You are under a national referral mechanism, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and you have right to work.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. The UK government says the national referral mechanism is there to protect victims of trafficking. But it often fails domestic workers. For you, what do you think would be the changes needed to make the system fairer and more effective?
For me, Ate Mini, is what we need is the ability to renew our visa and have the flexibility to change our employers. The current limitation create an uncertainty and restrict our opportunity for growth and stability. Many employers do not understand the NRM status, which often needs to miss our jobs opportunity, and even when we have a right to work. And based on my experience also, how many times the employer was refused me because they doesn't understand also what is the NRM. Yeah. I think, and extending visa duration and allowing us to change employer more fairly will be provide greater security and independence and fear to change to rebuild our lives.
Yeah, in addition with that, because the NRM is supposed to help people who have been trafficked or abused, but it does not always work well for domestic workers, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like perpetrators. They're just coming in and out of the country. They were not even banned in the UK. Yeah, and even the uh, there's when they go into the system, it's difficult for them to get a solicitor, to have a solicitor. We still have some members that until now waiting for the solicitor, and even the translator. When
Mm,
you know that we have that like the experience that um the assessment was didn't go through because there's no translator, and then
yeah.
and of course we
In
have also the
independent investigation into the case of trafficking and
yeah.
exploitation also at Timimi.
Yeah, and also the uh the training for the NRM
In
first responders, especially the not for example in the police, not all the police knows the NRM.
NRM.
We
Yes.
experience that. It always goes through the civil case, but not they don't really consider that it's a trafficking case. So I think those are the factors that needed to be
And
seen.
also safe
Yeah.
and secure accommodation for the victim.
Yes, exactly. The accommodation for traffic victims. Yeah.
But the
Because
accommodation,
how safe is that? Yeah.
the accommodation is not. I think I heard that from someone that accommodation that they give no offense meant that they give accommodation, but it's quite far from here.
Far
Yeah,
from here
it's
and
from
yeah,
here, and it's very hard to travel.
It's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
accessible
yeah,
for
inaccessible to everything. So
and different kinds
yeah.
of people are staying there also. Some of them is have a mental problems like that.
So
I
as
think they need to ending the tied visa system that bans workers to the abusive employer.
I think it's better for us domestic workers to be not put in that system and
Yeah.
reinstate
Mm,
our rights, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yes.
Yes.
Because we
That's
are
what we
workers and
need
we
to
are not
reinstate
victims.
We
our
need long-term protection, not
protection.
Yeah.
short-term.
And the voice of domestic workers really explaining your rights. Yeah, we offer emotional support. Those are the things that we can help you when you will enter the NRM. We give you support. You know, you just don't know how difficult the for us. You know, we are not first responders. You know,
mm,
but we are already uh trying to save. those who are really gonna lapse their visas for them to to retain their right to work. But even Marisa is working so hard. Our director is working so hard for this
Yeah.
NRM, for all of you to be saved. Yeah.
Yeah.
She's always fighting with anyone just for you to be accommodated. But so yeah, so it's the process is painful and unfair. Yeah. Um but the voice of domestic workers will continue to fight for change in the system.